In this segment of Suffolk Headlines, we visit the new nature-themed playground at Sleepy Hole Park. Suffolk Parks and Recreation recently completed a new nature-themed playground at Sleepy Hole Park for children ages 2 to 12. The playground is open daily from sunrise to sunset.
So this is Sleepy Hole Park. It's kind of in the northern section of the city. It's got a lot of amenities beside the playground you see behind me, but we've got a fishing pier. We've got some horseshoe pits. We've got shelters that can be rented for birthday parties and picnics and such. What you see behind me is our new playground we just have replaced. Just completed about a month or so ago. And we did that because the old playground that was here was just at the end of its life cycle. So we made a decision to go ahead and replace it with our capital improvement projects money. So we've done that. It's as you can see, it's a pretty nice playground. Total cost was about $100,000 for this, so it's a pretty nice amenity for the park. What we've also done too out here is as you can see, the shelters have been completely renovated. We've put metal roofs on those, repainted, replaced wood, and the bathrooms have been renovated as well. So we've spent some money out here, and we're pretty happy with the way it's come out.
Thanks for watching this segment of Suffolk Headlines.